I've been waiting for a while to have this well done so you can understand the difference between a fresh coconut and a old coconut. Rich in medium chain triglycerides, coconut is especially easy to digest to support our energy needs. An old coconut is that dark where there's three, it's a face there, and you're gonna have to figure out the softer one to go in to drain the water. Once you do that, then you can hammer this open and you will have pieces where the only thing you need to know is to learn how to take that off from the shell. When it's out of the shell, then you can do many different things with an old coconut. Now, if you peel the skin off, you can have milk that will be whiter, but I don't do it. I will leave the skin in, especially to make milk. When you make milk, it's the most amazing thing because from the milk, you can have your cream, and coconut cream is just delicious. Now, I am sensitive to dairy except for butter and butter oil. So I tend to use a lot of coconuts, especially the coconut cream. And again, personally, I do not take the skin. I leave the skin, but if you wanna, you can always peel that skin out, which it takes time. So usually I do 2 coconuts and you put that in pieces like this or little smaller pieces into the blender with warm water covering it. Once you cover with warm water, you blend it and then you strain it and you're gonna get your milk. Now, every day pretty much, I make smoothies with my fresh coconuts too. You need a special knife. I use this because of this corner here. So you go ahead and you take the white off, and it depends on the coconut you're opening. Some of them are gonna be easier, some of them are gonna be a little harder. I personally consume fresh coconut primarily because it is a delicious source of raw, non-pasteurized fat nutrition that can be especially valuable for supporting the body's efforts to get rid of fat-soluble toxins. Now with the corner here, you're going to crack it open. Now, see, now it's starting to lose it up already. Coconut water contains electrolyte minerals and it's naturally sweet because it also contains a small but good amount of coconut sugar. Now you put it aside. I'm gonna put it right here. And now we're gonna take a spoon and scoop this out, and I'll show you. What I do with the spoon, I put it to the opposite side and I just spoon this out nicely. And then you have this delicious. This is precious and it tastes wonderful. So I put this in water just to clean it, and then I'll put it back into the water, and then I'll do the same with the spoon, the other side of the spoon, and I will just spoon that meat out of there. Some of them will be a little easy, some of them will be a little bit harder to take it out, but not a big deal. It's pretty soft and comes out pretty easily. So now you have all this delicious meat, which I always rinse it off. If you see a skin, just take it off. Sometimes I wash my spoon too. Now I go in the regular size of the spoon side and I just spoon all this meat out. And if there's a little, if you look inside the coconut, sometimes you're gonna have this, a little bit of the skin coming off. Not a big deal. It's totally soft. Now you're ready. Now usually I take all the little meat, and if there's something little, I go and I eat it before I even blend it. And then you have your beautiful coconut here, your skin, the meat and the water, and we can add to the blender and mix with other ingredients and make smoothies. And they're, again, refreshing, very nutritional. Check out some of our smoothie recipes at drlinagarcia.com and sign up today for Dr. Garcia's Holistic Dentistry newsletter